Tama ba? Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Yes, Rika.
Ayan.
Harap ka dito. Yan. Wala pa.
Dito lang.
Tapos, ma'am.
Bawal ko makita. Yes.
Thank you, Nikki Name. Tapos,
Yes. Lapit ka ng konti para makita ka sa camera. Urong ka pa din. Hindi gets ko yan. Urong ka pa kayo.
ito na.
Let's go.
Thank you po. Ito na.
May naririnig ka?
May narinig ka?
Walang music. Naka-off? Ayun! Ay!
Ayan.
Wala akong marinig, guys. Alikabok!
Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda ko!
Ikaw magsabi.
Okay, game.
Wala pa yun.
Kayo, hindi ko marinig. Okay.
Ready? Ito na.
Bigay ka ng word.
Okay, ito na. It's been a long time daw ta.
It's
Cutie.
It's
Itchy.
It's
Wiki.
It's
Witty.
It's been It's been
HB.
It's been
Itchbit.
It's been
Ingbit.
It's been
English.
English. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been
I don't eat dim sum.
It's been a long time.
Eat.
It's
It.
It all 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's been a long time. Yes.
Isang praise.
Whale! Thank you. Parang di namin nakita.
Ay, gabi. May whale.
Grabe.
Thank you, Nikki Nate.
Thank you, Nikki Nate.
Thank you
Grabe.
so much.
Isa pa!
Grabe.
Isa na lang! Mag-100 na! Wow! Grabe! Wait lang.
Grabe,
Wait
Nikki
lang.
Nate.
Grabe.
Wow. Grabe yung pagmamahal yan.
Wait. Nikki Name, grabe ka na. Grabe. Wait lang.
Gago na.
Wow,
Okay,
grabe.
next.
Okay, next na may laro pa tayo, guys. Tapusin na natin to kasi
Kalma.
overtime na tayo.
Grabe! Okay. Okay, guys. Next game. Grabe, malapit na. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Kaya nyo yan. Hey,
Kaya nyo yan.
Hey, last one na lang. Last one na lang. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Matulog na tayo. Hindi na tayo matulog. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Grabe. Grabe ka. Grabe ka. Ikinim. Ikinim, grabe ka. Thank you so much.
Ganito pala ang feeling ng maka-perfect.
Okay na, mahal.
Let's go, CJ!
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, si CJ na. CJ, dito ka. Coach, music daw po. Grabe. Thank you so much. Hindi niyo alam. Sobra pong na-appreciate namin. Totoo yung pagmamahal niyo po lahat. Promise po. Thank you so much po talaga.
Sobra-sobra yung
Hindi
pagmamahal
biro yung
niyo.
pagmamahal na yon.
Totoo, yung
Ang
pagmamahal na yun.
laking